Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm decorating my coffee station for spring and Easter. I've already cleaned off my coffee station. I've wiped it down. Let me show you what I used. The Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface cleaner in the honeysuckle scent. And I already have my tray here. I've got my vase of flowers. That vase came from Dollar Tree and the flowers came from Hobby Lobby. I also have my placemat. I was only able to find one of these at Christmas tree shops. So I'm going to use that right next to my tray. I'll be using this little tray, stoneware tray. This bunny I picked up at Goodwill and I just tied a ribbon around her. Apothecary jar. I'll be using these miniature mason jars. I picked these up at Dollar Tree. I picked up 6 of them. They have the silver lids, but I decided to go ahead and spray paint the lids in gold. I only spray painted 2 because I'm only using 2 on the coffee station, but I spray painted them gold. I'll be using this cloche or this dome. Our nest sign. The grass, Dollar Tree, as well as the Dollar Tree Easter eggs. Tea set. Okay, I think that's everything I'm going to use today. So let's get started. Okay guys, here's my spring/Easter coffee station. I picked this sign up at Hobby Lobby and I have it hanging right next to, on the wall next to my coffee station. Bunny and the grass out of the dome, out of the cloche here, and actually place it right on the cake stand, and then take the tea set and place it underneath the cloche. So you could style it either way. It would look nice. Subscribers, I just want to say thank you for subscribing and welcome. If you haven't already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you as a part of the Everyday Living with Karen Jeter family. And make sure that you also hit that bell, so that the notification bell, so that you'll be one of the first to know when I upload a video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Be blessed.